Hello everyone, I am Daniel San. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Class Pets by Deborah Schecter. The rabbit sniffs around and around. The rabbit sniffs around and around. The fish swims around and around. The fish swims around and around. The mouse crawls around and around. The mouse crawls around and around. The hamster runs around and around. The hamster runs around and around. The snake slides around and around. The snake slides around and around. The frog hops around and around. The frog hops around and around. Class pets all around and around. Class pets all around and around.